May mapakita ako sa inyo. Pero atin natin lang. There is someone earning like this. Tignan nyo lang yung monthly. September, October, you make kulay green. This one, this one, this one. 51, 54, 55, 61. So shortcutting ko lang. Total of 13
Yung someone po
million
ba kayo yun?
pesos 4 months.
Yung someone po ba kayo yun?
Kaya bumili ng resort? Kaya magpatayo ng resort?
Yes!
Kaya
Who is
bumili
that
ng
someone?
Lamborghini? Yes! Kaya bumili ng sasakyan na maganda?
Yes!
Kaya magpatayo ng dream house?
Yes!
Kaya. Question. How many 4-month periods are there in a year?
3.
How many?